hot that.
This is a normal fidget spinner. And this is our balloon popping fidget spinner. Let's go pop some balloons. Oh. Alright, first off, to making these balloon popping fidget spinners is you need this white tape, some scissors, a fidget spinner, of course, and a plastic fork. Alright, let's get into this. Alright, first off, you're going to grab your scissors and your plastic fork, and you're going to cut the spikes off of the end of it. Wow, that was a big fail. Alright guys, we've managed to find our spikes off the end of the fork, so let's get into the next part. Alright, next you're going to take your duct tape and rip off about this much of tape. So we're going to do that right now. Alright, you've got it. Now we're going to have to cut it into 3 separate pieces that would wrap around the bearing. So, I'm going to cut it like this. Oh, it's very sticky. And we're just going to, we got it, we're just going to rip the rest off. Alright, let me do it to the rest and I'll be right back. Alright guys, we got the 3 strips of tape off the roll. Now, we're going to have to tape on these 3 spikes onto this fidget spinner. Let's get to it. Alright, now you want to take your strip of tape and 1 spike and you're going to place it on the fidget spinner. And then you're going to take the tape and just wrap it around the fidget spinner bearing, connecting to the spike too. Alright, there we go. That's 1 spike done. You can have them pointing up a little bit so that when it spins it gets good, or if it like flips it can still do this or it can do that, so we can pop some balloons. Alright, let's finish this and we'll be right back with you guys. This is the final product of the balloon popping fidget spinner. Let's go pop some balloons. Balloon popping fidget spinner in 3, 2, 1. Oh! Woo! That was so awesome. Make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and like this video. Peace out, dubs.